Picture yourself standing at the edge of a boundless, shadowy sea, the cool night air brushing against your skin as you gaze out into the infinite darkness. Above, the stars shimmer like distant beacons, hinting at mysteries far beyond our reach. Imagine sending a message, carefully sealed in a glass bottle, casting it out into the endless surf, hoping but never knowing if it will ever be found by another soul across the vast expanse. The bottle drifts, carried by unseen currents, its fate uncertain, its journey a leap of faith into the unknown. That's the tale of Voyager 1, humanity's own message in a bottle, cast into the cosmic sea, venturing where no one has gone before. When it launched in 1977, Voyager 1 was more than just a spacecraft. It was a symbol of hope, a fragment of humanity sent into the great unknown, carrying our dreams, our questions, and our desire to reach out beyond our home. Its journey began thanks to a rare planetary lineup, a once-in-176 years window that allowed a single spacecraft to visit the giant planets in one grand tour, a cosmic opportunity that demanded bold action. To seize this fleeting chance, we built not one but two explorers, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, each ready to embark on a journey to worlds we'd only glimpsed as distant specks of light in the night sky. Outfitted with advanced scientific instruments, they probed the invisible magnetic fields of planets, analyzed the strange, swirling atmospheres of alien worlds, and captured awe-inspiring photos that forever changed our view of the solar system. But their mission reached even further, to survive the harshness of space, to journey farther than anything we'd ever built, and to deliver Earth's greeting to the stars, carrying a message for any who might one day find it. Their main goal to explore Jupiter and Saturn to unlock the secrets of these giant planets and their mysterious moons. Anything beyond that was pure imagination, a dream of venturing into the vast, uncharted territory beyond our solar system. Using the gravity of planets as a cosmic slingshot, Voyager 1 broke free from the sun's grasp, gaining the speed it needed to escape into interstellar space. Voyager 1 is more than a probe, it's a testament to our urge to explore, to discover, and to connect with the unknown, carrying a golden record filled with the sights and sounds of Earth. It stands for our curiosity, our drive, and our dreams, a symbol of what we can achieve when we reach beyond our limits and work together. Today, it drifts between the stars, carrying the images and sounds of our planet, a tiny ambassador from Earth, alone in the vastness, yet forever connected to us. Voyager 1's Odyssey is, in many ways, the story of us all, a journey of hope, curiosity, and the timeless human longing to reach out and be heard across the universe. Voyager 1 launched from Cape Canaveral in 1977, leaving Earth forever. Its first stop, Jupiter. In 1979, it sent back stunning images of the Great Red Spot and discovered faint rings and volcanic activity on Io, proof that moons could be dynamic worlds. After Jupiter, Voyager 1 slingshotted toward Saturn, arriving in 1980. It revealed Saturn's rings as thousands of intricate ringlets and flew past Titan, discovering a world rich in nitrogen and methane. The visit to Saturn ended its planetary mission, but a new chapter began, the interstellar mission. Voyager 1's path took it out of the solar system, toward the boundary of the sun's influence. It became our first outpost in the vast emptiness between the stars. Even after its grand tour, it continued sending back data about the solar wind and deep space. Its journey is a triumph of science and a profound human adventure. Voyager 1's Odyssey redefined what was possible. For more than 4 decades, Voyager 1 has sailed silently onward, venturing farther from Earth than any other human-made object in history. It drifts as a lonely sentinel in the dark, a tiny ambassador carrying our hopes and questions into the unknown. In 2012, Voyager 1 achieved a historic milestone when it crossed the heliopause, the invisible boundary where the sun's influence fades away, and entered the vastness of interstellar space. It became the very first human-made object to sample the mysterious material that exists between the stars, venturing into a realm no spacecraft had ever reached before. Despite its incredible age and the unimaginable distance, over 15 billion miles from home, Voyager 1 kept sending signals back to Earth, faint whispers that take more than 22 hours to cross the void. These precious whispers brought us unprecedented data about the plasma that fills interstellar space, the cosmic rays that bombard our solar system, and the magnetic fields that swirl and shift far beyond the reach of our sun. But then, in late 2023, something went wrong. The signal became garbled. Voyager's voice was lost in a loop of indecipherable gibberish, leaving scientists anxious and uncertain. NASA engineers worked tirelessly, racing against time to diagnose the problem from nearly 15 billion miles away, using every tool and ounce of ingenuity they had. The headlines weren't about aliens or cosmic mysteries, but about our very human struggle to reconnect with a distant creation that had become part of our story. With hope and determination, they sent a carefully crafted command praying that some part of Voyager's ancient system was still listening in the darkness. After a nerve-wracking 45-hour round trip, a response finally arrived. Voyager 1 had heard them. It sent back a readable memory dump, a treasure trove of information that gave engineers the clues they desperately needed to begin repairs. Against all odds, contact was restored, and humanity's voice once again echoed from the edge of forever. Aboard Voyager 1 is a unique passenger, one unlike any other ever sent into the void, the Golden Record. This shimmering gold-plated disc, created by a visionary team led by Carl Sagan, is more than just a scientific artifact. It's a time capsule for the cosmos, a message in a language of music, images, and sound, meant for any who might find it. It contains greetings in 55 languages, each one a small voice from Earth, reaching out into the unknown. There are sounds of Earth: wind, rain, the gentle rustle of leaves, and the distant rumble of thunder, waves crashing on distant shores, animal calls echoing through forests and oceans, and the music of humanity, a collection of melodies and rhythms that have shaped our cultures for centuries, from the timeless compositions of Bach to the electrifying energy of Chuck Berry. The record's images show our planet in all its beauty, our science and technology, our daily lives, and the diversity of our people, and our place in the vast universe. A tiny blue dot among the stars. It even includes instructions for playing it, carefully etched onto its cover, so that any finder, no matter how alien, might unlock its secrets. The Golden Record is a mosaic of who we are, a gesture of hope, curiosity, and cosmic optimism, sent out on a journey with no guaranteed reply. It's a mixtape for the galaxy saying, "This is what moves us, this is our art, our laughter, our dreams, this is a piece of our soul, pressed into gold and sent to dance among the stars. If ever found, it's our handshake across the stars, a greeting from one world to another, no matter how distant." The Golden Record is the ultimate message in a bottle, cast into the cosmic ocean with hope and wonder. It's a testament to our desire to connect, to reach out, even with the unknown, and to share our story with the universe. Voyager carries our story into eternity, a silent ambassador on an endless journey beyond the stars. So what really happened with Voyager 1? The headlines weren't about aliens, but about a remarkable technical fix. A single memory chip in the flight data system failed after 46 years in space, corrupting the data stream. NASA's engineers became cosmic detectives, pinpointing the problem using a memory dump sent back in March 2024. Unable to repair the chip, they ingeniously rewrote the software, storing code in different memory locations. On April 20, 2024, they sent the patch and waited nearly 2 days. The signal returned. Voyager 1 was alive and sending clear data. It was a triumph of human ingenuity and perseverance. The real story is our enduring connection to the machines we send into the cosmos. Let's dream for a moment. What if Voyager's garbled signal had been a message, not a glitch? Imagine an advanced intelligence finding our probe and sending a reply. Deciphering it would unite humanity in a way nothing else could. The message could be a greeting, a warning, or a trove of knowledge, changing our future forever. But it could also spark fear or confusion. The unknown is powerful. This is the gamble of sending messages into the cosmos. When we shout into the void, we don't know who or what might answer. Yet hope drives us to reach out, believing we are not alone. In 1990, as Voyager 1 neared the edge of our solar system, Carl Sagan asked for one last photo of Earth. From nearly 4 billion miles away, Earth appeared as a pale blue dot, a single pixel in a sunbeam. This image is Voyager's greatest gift, a lesson in humility and perspective. On that dot is everyone you love, every human who ever lived. Our joys, struggles, and histories, all on a mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam. The pale blue dot reminds us to cherish and protect our fragile home. In the vastness of space, our imagined significance fades. Voyager's journey is not just about exploring other worlds, but about seeing our own anew. We are not the center of the universe. Earth is our only home, precious, fragile, and irreplaceable. Voyager 1's story is more than robotic exploration. It's a reflection of human curiosity. We look up, we wonder, we ask, what's out there? Are we alone? Space exploration pushes the boundaries of knowledge and drives innovation that benefits life on Earth. Technologies from Voyager have led to advances in medicine, computing, and more. But beyond technology, exploration connects us to something greater. It inspires new generations, unites us in a shared adventure, and lifts our gaze from daily concerns. Ultimately, exploring the universe is about understanding our own origins. We are made of star stuff, our atoms forged in ancient stars. By studying the cosmos, we study ourselves. Voyager 1's journey is a heroic chapter in the epic story of the universe, and that story has only just begun.